Hi friends, welcome to Vicreation Technologies. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. Today in this video we will talk about the contains method in our C# list. So let me first explain what is the contains method. So let's say we have a list. So the list can be of anything like list of int or list of string or anything. So in that list it contains number of items into that list, and by using the contains method we are searching for a particular item, and if that particular item is present then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So this is all about the contains method. So let me move to Visual Studio to explain you with couple of examples. So first of all, here let me take a list of int and I will add couple of items into my list. So here I have created my list of int, and in that list of int I just added three values like 10, 20 and 30. Now I will just use the contains method to find out whether a particular item is present in this list or not. And as you know, the return type of the contains method is bool. So let me use a bool variable, and here I will use the contains method and I will pass my item. As I am using the list of int, so here I will pass a int value. So let me add here 20. So now let me just put a breakpoint here and let me quickly run the application. Alright, so let me debug this line. So here if you can see my list of my list result, which is the variable of this contains method, which return just true because this item 20 is present in my int list, and due to that reason it is showing true. Now in place of 20, so let me use a different type of value which is not present in my list, and we'll see what is the result. So here I just added 70 as my value. Now again let me quickly run the application. So now here you can see the list of result, which is nothing but about false because this 70 item is not present in our list of int. So let me give you another example. So here I am taking a list of string, and where I will just add couple of string items into my list, and after that by using the same contains method we'll search that particular string into that list, and if that particular string is present in our list then it will return the result as true, otherwise it will return the result as false. So let me just quickly add some of the items into my list of string. So alright, here I have just created my list of string. Now let me use the same contains method to search a particular string into my list. So alright, so here I am just searching Portugal in my list. So let me just quickly run the application. So now if I breakpoint, then you can see the list of result returns true because this Portugal is present in my list of string. So now in place of Portugal let me use a different type of string, so which is not present in my list. Let's say I am using here port. Okay, now if I run it quickly again, now I am just breakpointing, and if you can see here it return the result as false because this port is not present in our list. So basically the contains method is basically used to find out whether a particular item is present in our list or not. So this is all about our today's videos. Thank you.